Hello. Today, during your independent work time, you are going to take your reader's notebook today and you're going to do your best work and you're going to draw a picture about your friends on your My Friends page shown here. When you draw your pictures, you can label them or write about your friends below the drawing in the lines here. Again, if you don't know any of the words, give them a try. Once you are done, your reader's notebook should look something like this. I've drawn my pictures of my friends, and I've written some words about what we're doing. Be ready following independent work time to turn and talk with a partner and share your drawing and what you wrote in your reader's notebook. Good luck!